So today is, geez, I have to check. I know it's Monday the 12th. So 12th, it is now coming up to, yeah, about 10 to 9. I actually did my cardio, fasted cardio, with Irina at about 6:30. So when I come back, I get a shower and then I eat. So because I only get 5 meals in the day, so I like to spread it out a little bit. So yeah, I'm hungry. It's all cooked. So the usual still. I've got my turkey bacon and my eggs. And on Mondays now for this month, the reason I'm making this video is I call this Daddy Daycare because I have to look after the kids. So as you can see, washing is on. How many of you men wash your clothes? I don't. Irina put that on. But yeah, so she's doing a course every Monday. So kids are still asleep. So I'll eat this. Have my baby monitor here. And the other kids I think are still in bed. Oi, Buster. Kids are no longer asleep. Watching a movie. Just had our milk. Now she's eating a ginger biscuit in front of me. You liking that biscuit? Nice? Mm-hmm. So next meal is porridge. Yeah. We're both having oats. So Isabella gets oats like daddy, don't you? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. So look. With milk. Got some blueberries in there and some honey. See that? Yeah. So open up. Nice. Right. It's 5 p.m. on this Monday. Baby's asleep. And I'm about to have my turkey. So turkey bowl. We went with jasmine rice this time. I have a choice between jasmine rice or sushi rice. I'm just going to put some iceberg lettuce in there. Mix it up. Bit of mustard. Happy days. So, yeah, just got the baby monitor out. Okay, she wakes up and got a delivery. Well, Irina got a delivery, not me. So she's after getting, looks like, some rider wear, some nice leggings. Look at them colour, look at the colour. Nice and bright. I reckon they'll be nice on. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, it's sports bra. And I wasn't expecting it. So Irina told me to open it. I'm like, why am I opening this? She got me a stringer top. Now I know you can't really see it that great unless it's on, but it's really nice, and the actual material is stretchy. So I can't wait to wear that. I already tried it on, fits perfectly. What size is this? Because I know people be like, oh, what size did you go? This is an XL. XL, yeah. It fits me. Actually, it's kind of tight as well, which is, I think it's supposed to be like that, tight fitted. But yeah, that was cool. And the place is a mess, so I'm trying to eat this and try to clean up the place before Irina gets back. And the sitting room, Frozen was on, so it's still on the TV there. And Dennis is on the computer. as usual. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off here and I'm gonna eat this. Right, Saturday the 17th July. We are now 11 weeks out. So today's a busy day. So just did our cardio. Gym opens at 8 on a Saturday. We did our cardio, still at 40 minutes. Body fat's still dropping. Weight is actually down. So happy days. Going to do some food shopping now. I know someone was asking me why not to do the film me walking around doing the shopping. I couldn't be arsed. I don't want to be that asshole with the camera walking around fucking putting food in the trolley. Oh, I eat this and I eat that. I'd rather just get it, bring it back, and then show you what I get. You know, you don't need to see every little bit of my life. Or do you? I don't know. But when we come back, we're going to go train legs again. Ham emphasis. When I say legs again, I mean there's a second leg session this week. Then once I finish that, I'm going to get ready and I'm off to a client photo shoot in Kilkenny. Stephen. And I'm really excited to see this one because he's worked really hard and he's starting to fill up now. We're in contact the whole way through. Everything just has been going smoothly, so I'm going to film the running up to that as well. Okay, so peace out. Right, getting ready to go to Kilkenny. So I'm going to show you what I'm prepping here. So this is my green beans, chicken, and 100 grams dry weight of sushi rice. That's about 240 grams cooked of sushi rice. Yeah. So into my bag. So look, that's where I put my food. Here I got my pink salt. I also have they're like wooden spoons, my porridge, and I've got plastic forks. Mustard and goma Heinz, because the French is one I usually use out of stock. So, but this one's alright. So I'm gonna go with that, and then get ready to go to Kilkenny. So arrived in Kilkenny. As you can see, the weather is lovely. I've got my monster, bag full of food, and I have no clue where the hell I am. I have my phone trying to tell me where this gym is now, but I'm sure I'll find it. But yeah, look at that day out. Beautiful. So yeah, it's like a proper tourist here. Anyway, I think I found it. This is it. In the fucking. Nice. Alright, so that's a wrap for the photo shoot here with Steve.
What's up, peeps?
Walking back to the car. It's a bit weird the way I'm more tan than he is.
Eddie Rockets. Eddie Rockets, baby.
Yeah, looking for some. But yeah, it was overall very happy with the condition. I didn't want to do too much filming during the photo shoot. Didn't want to put off the photographer and stuff. But Jesus, he did a really, really good job. Kest, isn't it?
Yeah, Kest is the man. The man with the plan.
Yeah, so yeah, really warm still. So we're gonna head on home, back on the computer, and
I'm going to get burger and fries
and cookies.
And cookies.
And yeah, back. I have 2 more meals left to do, and back to the drawing board then tomorrow. So I'm just going to sign off here now. So, success. Job done.
Peace out, Cub Scouts.
Come on, Steve.
Come on.
Sunday the 18th of July. What are we doing here, Babs? Huh? We're down by the lakes. Enjoying the water. We're in Mullingar, actually. Never been here before. By the lakes. Bringing the kids out, aren't we? Yep. Bring the kids for a swim. Nice to get out of the house. I'm trying to stay away from everyone. I'm not going near groups. Staying isolated because Papa don't want to get COVID. No? Papa don't want to get COVID. Mm-hmm. You like them? Look at this. Blueberries and raspberries. Only the best. Only the best for Babs.